Students, we have a question on the whiteboard. Is a wire question actually. We have Mr. Manu is 4 times as old as his son, Adu. 7 years ago, the sum of their ages was 76. How old is Adu? If you see this type of questions, you don't need to be scared. This is a kind of a word problem, but it requires critical thinking. Then from this statement, you will be able to derive what you are going to get the answer with. So remember that in every problem, there must be a solution. The first statement states that Manu is 4 times as old. Mr. Manu is 4 times as old as his son. So what you need to do here is to find the son's age and multiply it by 4. We don't know the son's age. We now say, let the son's age, let the son's age, let the son's age, let the son's age, that the name of the son is now who Adu. Let the son's age be equals to X. Then of course they say that the father, which is Mr. Manu, is 4 times as old as his son. And I say, let the father's age, let the father's age equals to 4x. Since they say that it's 4 times as old as his son. So this is from the first statement. Then let's go to the second statement. They say that 7 years ago, that is backward, 7 years ago, the sum of their ages was 76. So what we are going to do here, this is the present age of Mr. Manu and of course his son Adu. His present age now is this X and 4X. So their age 7 years ago, they said their age 7 years ago, the summation of it is equals to what? 76. So since the son's age is X, 7 years ago we have X minus 7, because this is the present age, minus 7, that is 7 years ago, plus the father's age will now be 4x minus 7. That is 7 years ago for you to get the ages of the parents of the father, which is equals to, they say, is summed up to 76. Are we there? For you to get their age 7 years ago, you have to use the present age, which is x, to minus 7. For you to get the father's age too, you have to use the father's present age, which is 4x, to minus 7, which is, they say, is summed up to what? 76. This implies that x minus 7 plus, open up every bracket, 4x minus 7 is equals to what? 76. Are we there? What you are going to do here is you bring like terms together. We have x, we have x plus 4x. Are we there? Is equals to 76 is already there, plus 7 plus another 7. So this means that x plus 4x is 5x is equals to 76 plus 7 plus 7. This is 76 plus 14. We give you what? 76 plus 14 will give you 90. So we are looking for the value of x, which is the son's age, which means you divide both sides by the coefficient of x. 5 will cancel 5. 90 divided by 5. It means that x is equals to what? 90 divided by 5 is what? That is 18. 90 divided by 5 is 18. Remember, the son's age is now what? 18. That means the son is what? The value of x is the son's age. That means the son is what? 18 years. The son, Adu, is what? 18 years. Remember, let's go back to the question. They say, how old is Adu? And remember that they let the son's age, Adu, be x. It means that what? Adu's age is what? 18 years. If you are asked to find the father's age, of course, what you're going to do is what? You multiply 4. That is, we have 4x, you multiply x by 4, which is the father's age. but it was not given in the question. But if in case if you come across it anywhere, you know that the father's age will not be 4 times 18. We give you what? The son's age. Are we happy? Thank you.